now we're going to look up property history. So we're going to go to the address 13406 Vista Oaks Drive, 13406 Vista Oaks Drive. Oh, don't put the drive in there. And we're going to look at the history. So it's had some history, and there's a form on here that I have that's called dates, and this gives the date of its history. And so this can be exported, is probably the easiest way to do that, to keep the history for it. And so down here you'll see export data, and then just comma delimited file, and then next. Current grid format, include headers. That's so it includes the names of the columns. And then we're going to save and open. Oops, I forgot I don't want to save and open. I want to save. And then I want to actually open the file with Excel, because when I open the file with Excel, it's going to ask me, so I'm going to go into Excel, File, and Open, and then it's going to ask me to change all Excel files to all files. There's the text file. I open it, and now it's going to ask me, it's going to be delimited by comma, uncheck tab, and check comma, and finish. And so there's the property history. So just make all those columns a little bit bigger, and then you'll copy and paste. We don't really need the address. I don't know how this is going to copy and paste in the Excel file. We'll try it. Copy might be weird because the headers are so I'm going to put this right here and paste it there. Oh gosh, that fit like perfectly. We just have to change the headings on the form. This is the status, and we don't really need a type, and what is that? Number of pictures, images, city, address. So we don't really need all this because we know that it's so I guess if you're going to delete certain columns, and I can actually change that in the report. So I'm going to show you really quick how to change a report in the MLS. Up here it says column manager. So I'm going to add or remove fields. So I don't need, I want MLS number, I want status, I don't want property type, so I'm going to remove that. I don't care about number of images. I don't care about area. I do care about city, just so I can make sure. Move that up a little. We don't need the address because you're going to have that, and that's the list price, sold date, ADOM, CDOM, listing agent ID. I don't need that one. Expired date, withdrawn date. Okay. So now I'm going to save that, and the report's going to show up a little bit different. Now I'm going to export this file again. I'm going to go to Next, include column headers. Next, I'm going to save. I'm going to go into Excel, File, Open, change it. It's already set to all files here in the bottom right. My newest one, open this. It's going to be delimited by comma, finish, and now double click on between those, and now we have a good status. Now we copy and paste to the other Excel file. Where'd it go? Here it is. So paste. Yeah, that works better. So this is status, city, price. Don't know what that was. Well, I think one is list price. List price, oh, sold date. Okay, so list price, sold date, ADOM, CDOM, and this is the expired date and the withdrawn. Oops. Alright, so you watch how I put that together. Hopefully that makes sense. Thank you.